Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a little lace flower. So you get some lace. I have this right here. I have this kind, it's really thin. And I'm just going to wrap it around my hand. All right, that's about 8 times. And I think that's good enough. So I'll cut it over here. Alright, you're going to need a sharp scissor too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the middle of the flower and just do this. Just pinch it right in the middle. And I'm going to tie it with a piece of wax thread. I always use my wax threads for making journals and things like that. I'm just going to do that. You can use a rubber band, but if you use a rubber band, I would put thread over it, because in time that rubber band's going to disintegrate. So you're better off either using the band and then tying it with this, or just using this. Up to you. But I wouldn't just stick with a rubber band. So I'm just going to tie this a few times. Okay, and I'm going to cut it off where the knot is. I'm going to just, it's a little over to the right. I'm just going to pull it a little bit. Okay, that looks more even. Now I'm just going to get all this and cut it up here like this. Cut a straight line. And the same on the other side. Okay. Now, this is the most time-consuming part. You're going to just keep doing this with both sides. Oh, here's a little piece that didn't get cut. Alright, you're going to just keep doing this. It's going to take a bit. Just keep going back and forth, fiddling with it here and there. Try to separate each one. Just kind of open it up a little like this and go all around, spread them out. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I'll just show you basically keep doing this. And then you're going to get your scissor, make sure you get a sharp one, and you're just going to cut the ends into like little slits like this, so that it's going to be all piecey like that. So you just kind of cut them. No rhyme or reason, just, you know, like this. And the other thing too is then I start to cut it so that it's even. So in other words, this is a long piece, so we'll cut that. kind of go all around where it needs it. And just kind of keep doing this and just cutting it to make it piecey. And then what you could also do is just glue these two ends so there's not like a space. And then usually I just take some glue could probably do hot glue. It's probably going to be better to set than the Fabri-Tac. And I just put a middle on. And then I just keep fiddling with it until it's where I like it. And there you have a little lace ball, a little lace flower to put on your journal or an embellishment. I just think they come cute, and you gotta just keep, you know, fiddling with it. And like I said, you can always glue these two pieces so there's no space in between. You know, there's like a little space right there. It's fine on this side. As I keep playing with it a little bit. You know, and eventually you'll get it. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.